Hi y'all, here we are again doing some more combining, getting the rest of the pasture cleaned off and working at getting the corn in. We thought we'd do a couple different shots, different views of things that you probably don't usually get to see when people are combining. A lot of the time it's just a shot out of the front of the cab or a drone view, but this is just a shot of the auger taking the corn into the chamber or the combine, and you can kind of see the gathering chains bringing the corn into the auger here a little bit. We were really blessed with the weather here, and the ability to get the corn in early was really a big thing for us. You know, there are a lot of farmers in this area, maybe like 2 hours north of here, that hardly got any rain at all, and aren't getting the yields that we're looking to get here. And even some of the farms right around us, we got in April 15th and they weren't able to get in then. And when they got theirs planted, it was after some big rains, and then they hit a dry spell as well. So the timing of our planting was really good for us and helped us with the good yield. Here's a shot in the back of the combine. You can see the sieves in there, and you can kind of see the corn bouncing around in between the corn stubble. Seeing the corn stalks against the blue sky. This is just another shot we tried to take. Hope you enjoy it. And it's fun. Thinking about different shots you could take with the camera and bring out the entire harvest for you. One of my favorite parts of this harvest was being close to the house, so that when the boys got off of school, they could run right out to the combine and spend time in it with the farmer. The girls obviously were with him most of the time. If I was out there, and they all just loved to be in the combine and spending good quality family time while we're getting our crops off the field. One of the things we like about farming is that you can spend time as a family together and just enjoying the harvest. Here's just another shot of the combine coming through the corn. From up above of the corn stalks getting pulled into the auger through the gathering chains and getting put down view. A little bit different. You can see the corn cob knocking around in there. I think I just said it in one of the comments, but this 9550 combine holds about 350 bushel of corn with the grain bin extensions on it. We don't like to fill it completely full, just because we don't want to be spilling any out, so we'll keep it a little bit under that. But it does take about 4 of these grain bins filled to fill our gravity wagons up. If we would fill them completely full, it would only take 2. So here we are unloading. We have just started to unload. Some of you were wondering how long it takes to unload a combine. So this is just a real-time video of us unloading into the grain cart. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more of the corn harvest. And have a great day.